Hi everybody, I'm doing a unboxing today. Another item that I got from Vestiaire Collective. It just came in, so I'm opening the box with you guys. And it was a really good deal. I'm so excited. Okay, so it's in this dust bag. It's from Versace. Look how cute! It's the La Medusa in the lilac color. Appa! Comes with this envelope. Oh my god, it's so cute. And then this Vestiaire Collective tag. It comes with this acrylic chain and then the shoulder strap. This is so stinking cute. Oh my god, I didn't know how I would feel about the size, but I actually do like it. It's very soft and mushy, so I'm assuming the owner has owned it for quite a bit. Oh my gosh. And I did just get a tattoo today, and this is a cover-up. Let me do some mod shots. And I am 5 foot for reference. Let me go this way. Appa. Oh my gosh. So cute. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. Sissy, look at mommy's purse. I love it. And we always get matching purses, so I did order her a purse that looks similar and similar color. You like it? Yeah, mommy buy it. Yeah. You want a purse like this? Yeah. Okay. You like it? Yeah. Oh, and we're matching today. Come here. Let's show our outfits. Pretty? Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time.